Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're watching Shadows Artistempire and I'm Chavi here. Before beginning to my video, subscribe to my channel. So for December, I decided to make a December drawing challenge where every day I'll make a drawing, and I have these sheets on which I have written different forms of drawing or different types or different materials on which I'll make drawings. So today I got a CD art. So I'll making CD art. So the picture I've chosen is this. So firstly I used a spray to apply a little bit water on the CD so that I can use these paints easily, and the paints I'm using are from Camlin Fabrica acrylic colors, and in the whole video I used these only because these are affordable and everyone can use it. They don't have to buy tubes, baby tubes for making such small art, so I preferred using this only. Applied first layer of paint, and then now I'm going to make a sky with blue color. Also I've used one blue color from fabricril acrylic colors because I needed a different shade for the sky, but I was not able to find it in this pack. Yeah, I was saying I decided to make one drawing per day in this whole month of December, and I'll try my best to make it because I have my papers also. And now I'm making this pink shade from mixing crimson and white color for the sand because this is an aesthetic painting. Now I've applied the first layer. As I'm doing this on plastic, so it may require 1 or 2 layers. And this is the first layer, and I was telling you that I used a different color from Fabricril. This is the color, and this is the second layer I'm applying. And also to remove that white part from the CD, when you just buy a CD you get that white part on it, you have to remove it before applying these colors. So for that you have to scratch a little bit part from the CD and then use a masking tape to remove all that cover thing. You can see a video also from YouTube. So yeah, these are the colors which I have used: this crimson, blue, white, and the other blue from Fabricril. And now I'm using black color to make some coconut trees. I've used flat brush only for this thing, and for coconut trees I'll be using round brush from Camlin. I'll be linking all the items that I used in the description box. If you want, you can go and buy them from there. So yeah, trees are complete. I made these little birds, and yeah, this is the final outcome. I hope you would like this video. If you like this video, turn that great thumbs up button blue. If you didn't like this video, you can give it a thumbs down, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.